The flood situation has improved in Kurigram as the water level of Brahmaputra, Dharola, Dudhkumar and Tista rivers have started to recede. As the water receded from the homesteads, the people living in elevated areas are returning to their homes. However, the suffering of people did not decrease. They are facing various problems including shortage of food and clean water in muddy houses. They are looking up to public and private assistance to repair damaged houses and food aid. Flood situation has also improved in Gaibandha. The water level in Brahmaputra river is still flowing above the danger level. About 30,000 families of 26 unions of 4 upazilas are stranded in water. Meanwhile, in Sunamganj, the water level of the river is decreasing. After the water has come down from the houses, it is also decreasing from the road. Water has also started receding from the low-lying roads.
নগদের কাছে সব গ্রাহকই প্রিয়, তাই তো সারা দেশে ক্যাশ আউট চার্জ সবচেয়ে কম।